Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the exact publisher ID you will publish. This includes the Admob publisher code and your app's publisher ID so entries match. Once done, make sure you have right access to the website root where app-ads.txt must live. Also decide and standardize your canonical domain using example. Com versus www. Example. Com matters because app stores and crawlers treat them differently. This prevents mismatched records and speeds up verification when Google reads your app ads. TXT. Now create the app ads. TXT file using the updated Admob format. Include each authorized seller line and double-check syntax so parsers accept it. After composing the file, save it as app ads. TXT at the root of your canonical domain with UTF-8 encoding. This ensures consistent parsing across systems. Then upload using FTP, SFTP, or your host's file manager, and immediately verify the file returns an HTTP 200 OK and plain text content type. Finally, trigger verification in Admob or allow Google's crawler to refetch the file. Verification can take several hours up to 2 days, so be patient. Make sure the file is accessible via HTTPS and its contents exactly match the publisher ID registered in Admob. Mismatches cause failures. If verification stalls, clear server caches, remove redirects that alter the domain path, ensure MIME type is text/plain, and confirm no trailing whitespace or encoding issues. These fixes resolve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.